good afternoon to all of you. It's a magical Monday afternoon, and this is your Rocketera July. Welcome to my wedding rocket for today. So mga kusgan, this is my first time here sa pinakabago na events place here in Baywan City, the newest events place here in Baywan City sa Santillan property diri sa may Boulevard Extension sa may Punong. So it's my first time here nga magka-event with Team Unica Events. Yes, congratulations and best wishes sa ang newlywed couple, Kevin and Christina. So mga kusgan, puyugi ko ninyo sa akong wedding rocket for today. Let's go! Oh yes, mga kusgan, this is the newest events place in the city of Baywan. So welcome everyone, congratulations to Ma'am Vilma and Sir Johnny Santillan for this beautiful place, ilahang events place, ilahang new venue. Congratulations Santillan family. Mga kusgan, this venue is located sa may Punong Extension, Boulevard Extension. O diba? So, bongga kayo ang ambience, refreshing kayo ang hangin, and makarelax kayo diri guys. So, natay garden. Alright! So, welcome to my wedding rocket for today. Sa mga kusgan, kuyugin nyo si Rocketera July for my wedding event. Yes! So, there you go! Welcome to the beautiful wedding of Chris and Kevin. Yes, we are glad you are here today. So Chris and Kevin. Alright, so full coordination and styling by Team Unica Events. Congratulations akong gwapa nga Jumega. O diba? Congratulations! Unica Creja Bernadette. Suswerte ko yung mga buntis, no? So for today's wedding motif, pastel rainbow wedding motif. So maunang naka-pastel blue ko for today. O nag-pastel blue ko kay I'm pretty sure na daghan kayong mag-pastel pink for today. Daghan kayong mag-pastel pink. So I decided to wear pastel blue. Oh, so cute! Catering services by JJ's Food Catering Services. Wow! I love the cake. And of course, our beautiful wedding cake for today is from Elvis Cakes and Pastries. Ang ako ang beautiful and gorgeous Jumega si Ma'am Elvie Baroy. I love it. So mga kusgan, this is my first event here sa Santillan property, ilahang newest events place and venue in the city. So this is my first event here. Nabutay pool di ay ha. So bongga kay na ay pool. So ongoing pa daw ang construction during Dapita, wala pa siyang nahuman. So I'm not sure, marag dili pa ni siya pwede dagway paliguan. I don't know, family use dagway pwede. Pero mga events marag dili pa allowed. So naatay duwa ka pool diri sa Santillan Property Events Place. Wow! Nice kaayo. Pastel rainbow wedding for today.